going on, my Sazon Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. I know it's been a minute since we've gone out riding. It's been a minute since I've been on this channel, so I'm so sorry for that. But we're about to go ahead and hit up Ace Cafe. About to do our thing. So this is Onyx, fully cocked and loaded. I get a chance to film this part because I was having so many issues. Apparently with the Power Commander 5 you need a PC. I'm not a PC owner. I had to go ahead and download Microsoft into my MacBook Pro, which I wasn't happy about, but it is what it is. So, but we are out here. We're about to go riding, my Sazon Moto family. Let's do this. We're about to head out to Ace Cafe, meet up with a couple people. I'm so excited about this. So let's hear that cold start, baby. Ooh, we ready? Set. Oh, Onyx sounds so good each and every time, boy. Woo! Listen to that. It can't get no better than that. Oh, it's so loud, so good. Oh, watch out, watch out. Killing me softly. Ah, rocking the leathers. Ooh, we are ready. Let's go, baby. Oh man, that puts a smile on my face every time. Never gets old. Let's get it. Oh man, I'm gonna have to make a stop. I totally forgot to put in my earplugs. I'm only like, I was wondering why everything sounded so extra loud. So yeah, oh man, it's much better. The way I had my GoPro set up before, I was unable to unleash. Is that right? It does. I don't know what I'm saying. So my helmet has a locking mechanism is what I'm trying to say. And I was having issues because the GoPro was actually, it was actually in the way of the locking mechanism. So whenever I would try to unlock my my visor. Protect your ears, everyone. Protect your ears. And there you go, everyone. Protect your ears. I love my AGV helmet because it's so light, but at the same time, it captures every single noise out there. Woo! You guys see that? Woo! If that don't get your heart going, I don't know what will. Oh, Lord. Always watch where you're going, everyone. Always watch where you're going. Because that was... Woo! Man. That means I have to be very careful. Good God almighty. That was crazy. Alright, y'all. I'm going to keep recording because God knows what can happen on the way. Oh, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but that was crazy. I'm glad I caught that. Oh man, I totally forgot I was recording. You know what? This is something you guys all need to watch out for. Just always watch out for debris. Always. Mostly, I like to ride on this side. You would want to ride on this side for the most part. You have a clear line of sight of where you're going. Because I've just seen way too many accidents, you know. Now I already know, usually truckers, just to get around one other trucker, they normally make a right turn. Normally, see? Just as I suspected. So these are just great patterns that truck drivers always have. Typically when they have to go around another vehicle, another big vehicle, or any slow vehicle, they will go get on the fast lane, which is the lane that I'm on now, and then turn, get on the right hand lane, which is the slower lane, slower, and slower. And yeah, they have that pattern. It's great to look at patterns, especially if you're daily driving on a road that you're familiar with, that you go to just about a daily, like this right here. Always be careful with this entrance, because these entrances like this, when they get off on the off-ramp, when they're on the off-ramp, most cars that are on this side will jump over to this lane that I'm in now. And that's where you need to be really careful. You know, typically I try to ride, I stay in the right or the far left, so that way I know I can have a clear view of what's in front of me. And usually when I'm behind somebody, and if I can see through the window, like hopefully I can give you guys a great example. If I can see through the window, that would be something that I utilize to see what the vehicle in front of me is doing. But typically I like to stay right here. I get to see quite a few cars in front of me of what's going on. See, if I see 3 cars down, 4 cars ahead of what's in front of me, do something funny, then I'm going to go ahead and slow down and take proper precautions, get on the right hand side, or, you know, be careful. But also in the same token, you have to be careful with the vehicles behind you, because you don't know if they're not paying attention or not. And that's something that this is something that is constantly running through my mind. So you get to see a few cars ahead of you. 2 cars went around, let's see, this car made it right, get into the slow lane, which we're about doing 81 miles an hour. Get into the slow lane to go around and pass vehicles, or to get out the way of other folks that are driving a little bit faster. Feel me? Good information? Great, let's go. Man, I haven't ridden my motorcycle like this in a while. I went ahead and did a mapping on it, so currently I don't know if she feels any different. A little bit smoother actually. Throttle response is a little bit smoother. She doesn't feel as lean, so that's a plus. Hey, we got a while to go. We got 12 miles to go before we get there. Everybody's riding. So shout out to OBO crew. They've been wanting me to come out and ride. I haven't been able to ride due to work and scheduling and all this other crap. So yeah, it feels nice to get off early on a Thursday and be able to go out and ride and enjoy an actual night of what we call Ace Cafe Bike Night. That's what we're doing. Any other bikers around there? I know there are bikers somewhere. It's still early, so oh, there goes one. Cruiser, baby. Let's get it. This has a very long first gear. I've always said it. There we go. Come on, baby. We almost there. Cafe, baby. Here it is. I can hear a damn thing. Yeah, brother. All right, let me go park. This is Ace Cafe. This is the bike spot that we go every Thursday night. This is my boy Giovanni. What's going on, Giovanni? This is buddy. What's your name?
Jorge.
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 Giorgito. Jorge.
You got a nail in there. No.
You better not scare me, bro. Woo! Don't scare me like that. So yeah, we're here at Ace Cafe. This is Thursday night bike night. This is where we meet up every Thursday. We have a good time. So we're gonna go ahead and have some drinks, check out some bikes, and we'll chat with you later on. Peace. Well, guys, looks like my GoPro died somewhere in the process. I don't know where. We were on the turnpike, but yeah, the whole thing died on me. Didn't even realize. God knows for how long. But I just want to say, you guys, thank you so much for watching the channel and made it home safely. I had a great night with the fellas tonight. So, you know, Tay Day and all those guys from OBL, which is great. We're probably gonna do another meetup, which is gonna be great, and looking forward to it. So yeah, guys, if you're subscribed to the channel, thank you so much. It means a lot. All the comments that you guys have been putting down, you guys have been great with giving me ideas, giving me ideas for more content and what is that I need to do, as well as commenting on the bike and what I've done to it. So I just want to say thank you guys again for being part of the Sazon Moto family. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please consider subscribing. Sazon Moto, Onyx saying peace.